If you think wealth is only for the lucky or privileged, think again. Many millionaires started with nothing. No inheritance, no special connections, just a plan and discipline. The truth is, anyone can build wealth with the right strategy. It's not about how much you make, but how you manage, grow, and protect your money. In this video, we'll break down 10 powerful steps to help you go from zero to financial success. Step 1. Develop a wealth-building mindset. Your journey to financial independence starts with the right mindset. Most people remain in financial struggles because they believe wealth is unattainable or reserved for a select few. This belief is a barrier to success. If you change your thinking and start viewing wealth as something within your reach, you are more likely to take the necessary actions to achieve it. Developing a positive money mindset means understanding that financial success comes from knowledge, consistency, and the willingness to take calculated risks. Avoid negative beliefs such as, "I will never be rich," or "money is evil." Instead, focus on empowering thoughts like, "I am in control of my financial future," and "Wealth is built step by step." Read books on financial literacy, listen to successful people's stories, and surround yourself with individuals who encourage wealth-building habits. Step 2. Educate yourself on finances. Financial literacy is the key to building wealth. If you don't understand how money works, it will be difficult to make it work for you. Start by learning about fundamental financial concepts such as income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and investments. Read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley to understand how the wealthy think and manage money. Listen to podcasts and follow financial experts who provide practical advice. You should also become familiar with different investment vehicles, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts. The more knowledgeable you become about finance, the more confident you'll be in making smart money decisions. Step 3. Set clear financial goals. Wealth does not happen by accident. It is the result of intentional planning and disciplined execution. Without a clear financial plan, money can easily slip away through unnecessary spending. The key to building wealth is setting specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound, smart goals that give your money a purpose. Start by defining short-term financial goals, such as saving $5,000 within a year, paying off a $2 million credit card balance, or building an emergency fund. Long-term goals could include investing $100,000 in stocks within 10 years, buying a home, or achieving financial independence by age 40. Write down your goals and develop a concrete action plan to achieve them. Regularly review your progress, adjust as needed, and stay committed. With the right goals and discipline, wealth building becomes a structured and achievable process. Step 4. Earn more money and create income streams. To build wealth, you need money. And to get money, you must earn it. The more you earn, the faster you can reach financial stability and begin investing for the future. If your current job doesn't provide enough income to meet your financial goals, explore opportunities to increase your earnings. Start by asking for a raise if you've proven your value at work. If that's not an option, consider applying for higher-paying jobs or learning new skills that make you more competitive in the job market. Additionally, you can create extra income through side hustles like freelancing, selling products online, tutoring, or offering specialized services. To build long-term wealth, develop passive income streams, such as dividend stocks, rental properties, or digital products. By diversifying your income sources, you reduce financial risk and create multiple pathways to financial independence. Step 5. Live below your means and budget wisely. Earning more money alone won't make you wealthy if you don't manage it wisely. Many people fall into the lifestyle inflation trap, where their expenses rise in proportion to their income, leaving them with little to save or invest. No matter how much you earn, financial security comes from how much you keep and grow, not just how much you make. To avoid this, develop the habit of living below your means and being intentional with your spending. Track your expenses and create a budget that ensures a portion of your income is dedicated to wealth building. A simple strategy is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities, rent, utilities, groceries. 30% for personal wants, entertainment, travel. 20% for savings and investments. By prioritizing smart money management, you can achieve long-term financial success and build lasting wealth. Step 6. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of uncertainties, and unexpected financial challenges can arise at any moment. Whether it's a medical emergency, major car repair, home maintenance issue, or sudden job loss, having an emergency fund ensures that you can handle these situations without falling into debt. Without a financial cushion, you may be forced to rely on credit cards or loans, which often come with high interest rates and can quickly spiral out of control. To protect yourself, aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate high-yield savings account. This fund serves as a financial safety net, giving you peace of mind and stability. By preparing in advance, you can avoid setbacks and stay focused on your long-term wealth-building goals, ensuring financial resilience even in difficult times. Step 7. Eliminate debt, especially high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth because it drains your financial resources and limits your ability to invest in assets that generate long-term growth. High-interest debt, such as credit cards, personal loans, or payday loans, can accumulate quickly, making it harder to get ahead financially. The more you pay in interest, the less you have available for saving and investing, which slows your journey toward financial independence. To break free from debt, prioritize paying off high-interest balances as quickly as possible. The debt snowball method involves paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum, while the debt avalanche method focuses on eliminating the highest interest debts first to save money over time. Once you eliminate bad debt, you can redirect those payments towards savings, investments, and wealth-building opportunities, accelerating your financial growth. The sooner you start, the better your financial future will be. Step 8. Automate savings and investments. One of the simplest and most effective ways to build wealth consistently is to automate your savings and investment contributions. By setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck or bank account to a dedicated savings or investment account each month, you eliminate the need for manual deposits and reduce the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Automation ensures that you are prioritizing your financial goals without having to think about it constantly. Many banks and brokerage firms offer automatic investment options, allowing you to regularly invest in stocks, index funds, or retirement accounts such as a 401k or IRA. This strategy leverages dollar-cost averaging, reducing the impact of market fluctuations over time. By making saving and investing a habit, you create long-term financial stability and steadily grow your wealth with minimal effort. The key is to start early and remain consistent. Step 9. Invest wisely and consistently. To build wealth, investing your money is essential because simply saving it will not generate significant growth over time. Inflation gradually reduces the purchasing power of cash, meaning that the money you save today will be worth less in the future. By investing, you can outpace inflation, generate passive income, and take advantage of compound interest, which allows your wealth to grow exponentially over time. A good starting point is to invest in diversified assets such as index funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and real estate. These investments offer stability, long-term growth, and lower risk compared to individual stock picking. If you're new to investing, consider using robo-advisors or consulting a financial expert to help you make informed decisions. The most important factor is to start as early as possible, even if you can only invest a small amount. Consistency and patience are key to building lasting wealth through smart investments. Step 10. Protect your wealth and plan for the future. Building wealth is only half the battle. Protecting it is equally important to ensure financial security for yourself and future generations. One of the first steps in safeguarding your wealth is having adequate insurance coverage. Health insurance protects you from unexpected medical expenses. Life insurance provides financial support to your loved ones in case of your passing. And disability insurance ensures income continuity if you are unable to work due to illness or injury. Additionally, creating a will or estate plan is crucial. Without one, your assets may not be distributed according to your wishes, leading to legal disputes and financial complications for your heirs. Estate planning allows you to designate beneficiaries, minimize taxes, and ensure a smooth transition of wealth. Lastly, continuously improving your financial literacy helps you stay informed about market trends, investment strategies, and economic changes. By taking these precautions, you can secure your financial future and protect the wealth you have worked hard to build. Final thoughts. Building wealth from nothing is not easy, but it is entirely possible with the right mindset, strategies, and discipline. Follow these 10 steps consistently, and over time, you will see your financial situation improve. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others and stay committed to your journey toward financial independence. The best time to start building wealth is now.